Hello everyone, hope you are doing great. So today we are going to discuss how to download and use SF symbols in SwiftUI. So first step we have to go to the browser. We have already opened that. Let's go here and SF Swift symbol list. So here you have a different type of links for that. So you have to click on the Apple official website. Here you see you have all the documentation here. You just have to click on SF symbol. So here you see a download button. The latest version is SF symbol 6 beta and the old version is SF symbol 5.1. So that one is beta version, so we are using this one. You just have to click on that and it will show you the downloading link. I already downloaded that both thing. You can use beta and you can use the other one as well. Okay, after that you download that. You just have to click on that and install that completely. Let me show you again. So it's almost 312 MB if you are using SF symbol 5.1. Just take a minute to download that. So when it's downloaded that, you have to click on that and it will show you that page. You have to double click on that file and it will open an installer file. Just click continue, agree on that and choose the file where you have to install. I'm just installing on default folder. Just write your MAC password and it will take some seconds to install that and it's finished. Now where you have to open that, just have to open the menu and you can see SF symbols. When you click on that, it will take a second and it will show you that file. Okay, here are the categories and here are all the symbols which you have to use. So how to use that symbol, which is the next step. So let me open the Xcode. I already opened an application. You have to write an image and here you see you have to put the path of that image, the name of that image. So how we need to copy that? Just open that, click on any image and control command shift and C, and here you just have to command V. So after command V you just have to show that. So how it will show you that image on the Xcode file. When you write down that thing, it will show you the image here. Okay, if you have any question, feel free to ping me on YouTube or thanks for watching and we will see you in the next one. Have a great day. Happy coding.